What's going on, guys? It is Bernardo, and today is all about configuring your Proxmox network with pfSense. We're going to be going over the installation and setup of what I did, and hopefully I did it correctly. Well, I did do it correctly because everything is working properly. I'm breaking this down into 5 parts, and today is part 1, so let's get right into it. All right, part 1, let's just dive right into it. Like I said before, I'm broke it down to 5 parts. And part 1 is pretty simple. So first thing that we need to do is log into your Proxmox lab. Once you enter your username and password, just click on login and it should take you here. That's where it took me. I clicked on my data center, which I called it BTNHD. I opened that up. Awesome. And on the middle, I clicked on network. So let's click on network. And these are all my network cards. Now, I only have 2 network cards, and by default, when you configure your Proxmox, it creates a Linux bridge. And then Linux bridge is what allows you to access your Proxmox, which is considered the management port. Now, I have 2 ports, and the Linux bridge, which is considered my management port, that port is actually assigned to ENS4. I think I'm blind. I'm super blind. Let me see. 4F0. I cannot see it. I'm like, literally, I'm blind. I wear glasses and I can't see that. So that network card is assigned to the Linux bridge, which is the management port, right? So there's another network card on the server, and that one is ENS4F1. But before we create a new Linux bridge, I am going to do a little bit of management here. So what I did was I selected my VMBR0, which is the first Linux bridge, which is the management, and I clicked on the edit button. From here, the only thing that I did was I added a comment of management, MGMT for management. Clicked OK here. You didn't really make any hard changes. I learned this the hard way. So within Proxmox, when you make changes, you have to say apply configuration. So click on that button that says apply configuration. You're going to get the confirmation. So just click on yes. And then, the settings are changed. So once you do that, once I did that, I wanted to create a LAN Linux bridge, and then I wanted to create a WAM Linux bridge for my pfSense configuration. So what I did was I clicked on create, which is going to give you a nice little drop-down menu. So just click on create, and I selected Linux bridge. Boom, that's it. We're going to give it a name. Now for the name, I left it as is. The only thing that I did was provide the bridge port and the comment. Now, again, like I said, the additional network port that I had within the Proxmox environment, it is called ENS4F1. So that's what I entered there. And the comment, like I said before, this is going to be for my WAM. And I clicked on create. But within Proxmox, whatever changes you make, you have to click on apply configuration. And you're going to get the confirmation. So just click on yes. And you're done. Now, I wanted to create another Linux bridge, and I clicked on the create button. Select Linux bridge. Now for this one, the only thing that I did was provide a comment. So that comment was LAN. And I clicked on create and then click on apply configuration. Click yes here. And that's it. This is part 1. Pretty simple. Just configuring my management, the WAM, and the LAN. Now the WAM, that network port is going to be assigned to the pfSense to get internet access. And the LAN is what we're going to be using within our pfSense to provide IP addresses using DHCP. So hopefully you guys tune in for part 2 through 5, which hopefully I can release pretty soon. And I catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.